Hey guys, today we're at Botté Chai Bar. Great place in Riversdale, right in the heart of downtown and Riversdale, kind of right on the line there. Great chill place, tranquility, peaceful, kind of like an awesome space where you can study, you can bring your family, you can bring your friends. Just a great alternative as opposed to going to a bar kind of thing. So I can't wait to show it to you guys. They got tea, they got coffee, hot chocolate, all imported from different parts of the world. Fantastic. Let's go have a look at it.